we got an F over here. Is that F for fail?
Probably.
So that's a rocker arm shaft for a Sportster because the big twin would be longer like this long.
Oh, yeah.
You notice how it's already got rust on it?
Yep.
Good.
I can see that.
And this was made in 2 of 80.
Oh, okay.
So it's only 45 years old.
Perfect.
February. It's not February either. So it's almost vintage now.
Almost.
It's older than you though, right? Close
No.
to- Not quite?
No, I'm 5 years older than that.
No, you're old for it.
I'm going to be 50 next.
At least you got
in 2 months.
But you probably have rust all over you too.
I got a ton of rust on me.
All right, so this will fit. It'll fit 57 through 85, but with the big nut in here and one-piece design, it's 71 and later. So all you gotta do is change the nut out, and then it fits the earlier bike.
Yeah.
So what's nice about a Sportster, they're all the damn same. Okay, so this one here is a shift works. So this is 80s production. See the label. 70s production. See the label.
Yeah.
And so is that one. So this one was made in 81. Common parts, 80, 81. This is a -20, see how they're marked?
Oh, yeah.
So when you adjust your gear location for your shifting by going up or down, so the negative means it went down. This is closer to this edge, plus would be higher. So that moves your fork.
Oh.
That's how you adjust your shift forks. On the big twin, you have a nut and a wash. You loosen the nut, put shims in there, and change it.
Yeah.
This one, you have to change the whole fork.
Crazy.
So that would be a 293 number. This one is same number. 81 again. Yep. January of 81. Still got the red, white, and blue. You know why?
Because it was still
Because
AMF.
it's still a Harley part. It's AMF. Didn't turn into that late model import Harley brand stuff. You know, 83 and later, 82. They took over, I think, in 82, as I recall. They were making a big stink about that back then when I was younger, but I never gave a crap.
Yeah.
So, because I was around back then when they changed. This one's made in 84, see it's got the new label on it.
Yeah.
So, this one's a 5 of 84, still brass. And this one is still a -20, it looks like. Yep, same part number. 293, yeah. So, later production in this one by 3 years. Other than that, same damn thing. So those are, they probably fit because they're made by Harley. And it's not eagle iron, so it's real Harley Davidson.
Oh, yeah. This
This is not made in Taiwan. This is made wherever they Harley made these at.
All right.
Probably U.S. made back then.
Probably.
Yep, probably. Out of here. So these are good to have. Now brass or steel, they both wear equally. So I don't really see any difference. I use the steel ones in my race bikes. I see no difference because the steel ones are aftermarket. They do make some aftermarket brass ones, but 90% of them are the steel ones when you buy them. I don't. They all wear out. They all do the same problem, so I don't see any difference in them. So they work. Now these are going to be gears for a Sportster. So, nope, this one says rocker arm.
Oh.
Look like a gear, felt like a gear. 6 of 85, so it's still an ironhead part. Still ironhead in 85 last year.
Yeah, that's a rocker arm.
So this is a real deal production part, because in 85 they were still making bikes. So no later model replacement parts, this is the real deal. Now you notice how Harley, their parts, see how nice they're ground?
Yeah.
And see how they're not polished like the aftermarket, but look how they're straight and even
Yeah.
and flat.
Yeah.
Not like the aftermarket, which are smooth and shiny, but they're anything but square,
Yeah.
true or anything. Big difference. So now I got one shaft, I got one arm. I'm working my way up to a kit.
Yep.
Getting close.
You're close.
Getting close. 25% there. It doesn't fit back in the box though. Sticks up. And you have to put it in the box correctly. There. Then this is supposed to fit back in there somewhere. So you got to be smarter in the packaging. You have
Yes.
to angle it a little bit. Then it works. Now the vintage tape here failed.
Oh.
I don't know what's up with the tape. It only lasted 85. It's only lasted 40 years.
That's a problem.
I think there's something wrong with it.
Yeah.
Damn U.S. quality. Just not like what it used to be.
No.
No.